Investigating the Flipped Classroom Model and its Impact on Writing, presented by Kimberly Muniz and narrated by Esteban Rhapsody. The following research article, written by Elizabeth Ann Florence and Tammy Kolsky, focused on one way to engage students who are dissatisfied and disengaged at school. The study attempts to find a connection between the flipped classroom model and writing achievement and engagement. Florence and Kolsky asked the following three questions. Number 1. How and in what ways does implementing a flipped classroom model in a high school writing course affect students' writing quality? Number 2. How and in what ways does implementing a flipped classroom model in a high school writing course affect students' engagement? Number 3. How and in what ways does the flipped classroom model affect students' perceptions of and experiences with the FCM? What might a FCM classroom look like? This strategy incorporates the following ideas. FCM is a type of blended learning. Whatever activities normally happened outside of the classroom now happen in the classroom, and vice versa. FCM was based upon the theoretical knowledge of constructivism, Bandura's social learning theory, and Vygotsky's theories. Research has proven FCM an effective classroom strategy. This study provided specific information in regards to the effectiveness FCM has on writing. The study consisted of the researcher/teacher and 54 11th and 12th grade students. The students were placed in groups and asked to watch a 10-minute lecture video and answer 5 assessment questions on their own prior to class. During the class, the students read and worked collaboratively on a writing assignment pertaining to the reading. The students were encouraged to ask questions and apply information from the lecture videos and review questions to revise their writing. 4 methods were used to assess the accuracy of the data collected. Number 1. Pre- and post-intervention writing assessments. Number 2. Students were given an online survey about the process. Number 3. Students were asked 4 open-ended questions pertaining to the FCM. Number 4. Observations from the teacher were taken into account. Results of the study conclude improved writing quality, which included increased word count and less grammatical errors. The survey found students enjoyed the process and found this model of learning engaging. Although the majority of students showed interest in the FCM, there were some learners who still did not feel engaged in the material. Other limitations noted were the style of writing assessed, student interest in new technology or experience, and the lack of a control group. Further longitudinal research is needed to determine the long-term effects FCM has on writing achievement. FCM had a significant positive impact on student writing. This strategy is another tool teachers can use inside and outside the classroom to productively engage students and improve their overall writing quality. Based upon a student's need for instructional guidance, do you feel the flipped classroom model is an appropriate and effective method of learning, and would you use this method of teaching?